this.
You had the, I'm not getting out of the car. I didn't do anything wrong. Me leaning over and you believing I touched something means nothing. Means nothing. That's not a crime.
Hey, make it easy. Just step out the car.
I didn't do anything
Everything's
wrong.
on camera, brother.
Exit the vehicle.
If you got nothing to hide,
It's
you got, yeah, you got nothing.
We're all being recorded.
Okay,
step back over.
Why are you so excited that I'm
Step back over there.
That's fine. I just want to let you know.
What are you doing?
You're just being detained.
I'm patting you down, make sure there's no
allowed to
weapons.
do a cursory search of my person.
It's a pat down.
Why is she searching my car? Why is she? I did not give her permission to search my car.
Just relax.
Me leaning over is not a crime. No, that's not exactly. You don't know. You had that clear articulation. You just said that. You said the magic words.
We don't
Keep your hands
know.
up here.
Exactly.
Hey,
You
keep
don't
your hands
know.
up here.
And
Keep
you
your
need
hands
to
up
have
here.
clear and articulable evidence if I am.
hands up here.
You need to have clear and articulable evidence I am. So you saying you just don't know?
You got insurance on the car, Joseph? You have
Where's your
insurance?
Why is she in my car?
Do you have insurance on the car?
I'm not. Why is she in my car?
Do you have insurance on the car?
Of course I have
Because
insurance.
I wanted to see what you were leaning.
Get out of my car.
Don't tell me what to do.
Where's your insurance?
Okay?
You want to see what I was leaning over again? It was my phone.
Here
It's
you go.
on me.
Hey.
It's on me. My phone.
Okay,
You
good
have
for
no
you.
right to be in my car.
You don't know the law.
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
It's
you
called
do.
Terry versus Ohio, 1962.
Yeah,
Set precedence
okay.
for the Fourth Amendment to the Constitution. You know what the Fourth Amendment to the Constitution
Yes,
is?
I do.
Okay,
Yes,
tell
I
me
do.
what it is.
Do you have
I'm
Tell me
insurance?
what
not
it is.
explaining myself to you.
Unreasonable search and seizure. Get the fuck out of my car.
Hey,
Do you have,
Okay.
insurance
Relax.
on the car?
You have
Of course I have
this
insurance
car?
on the car.
Okay,
dude.
well,
She
where's
has
your-
no right to
why
be in
are
my
you
car
acting like this?
because
Is
you're
there
breaking
insurance
here?
you're
Where's your
breaking my
insurance?
constitutional
Hey.
rights.
Where's your insurance on
just
the car?
insurance. Where's your insurance?
It's in my car.
Okay,
Where
that's
in the
where
car?
at in the car?
I don't know.
Four-door
I don't
car.
know. You pulled
Would
me
it
over for a
be?
seatbelt. A seatbelt. Why are you in my car? Because I leaned over.
Because you leaned over, you could be
That's
hiding
your
a
clear-
weapon. I don't know
Okay,
that
you just did a
unless
cursory search of my
No, I
person.
didn't. I did a protective
You did a
pat down.
cursory
I
search
didn't
of
go
my
in your
person.
pocket.
I
touched
know
the
you
outer
did it. That's a
guards.
cursory search.
It's called a
Just keep your hands
protective
up
pat
here.
down.
Oh my
Relax,
God,
relax.
dude! I'm telling
He
you,
has insurance on the car?
Where is the insurance?
Where's the insurance?
in the car.
Where?
Where at?
We've already had this conversation. I don't know. I had to be in the car and look for it.
Well, be my guest now.
Point to where?
Be my guest? Okay, I will. What are you doing,
Hey,
dude?
Close the door
Just
on my,
relax.
on my hand.
Relax,
You put
dude.
your hand in the middle
Let me
of
see
the
the
traffic.
insurance.
Just find your insurance. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, Vic. Oh, you got it? Hey, just stay calm, bro. That's all. Just stay calm. Just stay calm.
I didn't do anything wrong.
It's understandable.
You have valid insurance? This expired March 11th, 2019.
This was effective March. What does that say? Expiration date 3/12/2020.
Relax.
And you're the one searching my car. You're searching my car. You can't even read a fucking insurance.
Hey,
You're a fucking joke.
There you go, sir.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll be back in 15 minutes.
Yeah. Hurry up. Hurry up, motherfucker.
Sit tight.
hey, just
Yeah.
relax. Hey,
Hurry up.
Hey, relax.
Hurry up. And bring back your ID cards. Bring back your business cards.
It'll
Make
be
sure you do
my
that.
name
No,
and
bring
my
back your
phone
business
number.
card.
Hey, relax. Come on.
You're out of your fucking
Just relax,
mind,
bro.
dude. You're out of your fucking mind. How
Relax.
dare you go in my fucking car?
Relax.
How dare you go in my car?
Relax, bro.
Unreasonable search and seizure. He said because I was leaning over. What crime is that? What crime is it to lean over in your own car? Clearly articulate what crime that is.
Just relax, bro.
You guys
relax.
are out your mind, dude.
Sir, would you like me to explain it to you, or keep yelling?
I don't need you to explain anything to me.
All right.
Because you know the law, you know everything?
I do know law. I do know law. It has to qualify as a
So you
Terry
just wanna
stop.
keep yelling?
It has to qualify as a Terry stop.
I got
you.
He
it's
took
okay.
me out of the car because he believed I had a weapon on me, so he can do a cursory search of my person for a weapon. They by no means can enter my car.
Why did he believe you had a weapon on you?
Where'd you
You had
reach
to
to?
ask him.
Hey, where'd you reach to?
Did you lean
What?
over?
Where'd
Because
you
I
reach?
leaned over. That's why he believed I had a weapon.
Because it is no.
So
It is when somebody gets pulled over and they want to hide something, you see their head go down and do some stuff. Reasonable suspicion to believe, okay, maybe you are hiding something. Reasonable suspicion. It's not a crime to lean over.
okay, that I'm doing what? What's the crime? Reasonable
Hiding
suspicion of what crime?
He's seeing if
Hiding
you're hiding a
something.
weapon or
Ah,
something.
Dude, that's so okay. Keep that. That's got to be your defense in court. Somebody
That's what I'm
bending
trying to tell you.
over. Somebody moving. That's
Bending
if I
over,
was
yes.
moving. I'm not even saying I was moving.
We don't know what happened.
You
You
just said
seen
you
when we rolled up
I never said anything. I said
said it
that's
over.
what he said.
You said you leaned over.
for your
I,
phone.
I said I leaned over.
It's on camera. Yeah, you said you leaned over
I
for your
said
phone.
she asked me what I was getting. It was my phone on my pocket. That's not leaning over here. My phone was in my pocket.
Like I said,
That's not
we
leaning
pulled
over
up
there.
after the
But
fact.
that's what
Remember,
I'm trying
you
to
seen
explain
us
to you.
pull up
That's why-
after the fact. I don't know what transpired
Is
before
your-
we
is
came.
your body camera on?
Yeah, my body camera's on.
Everything's on.
You know what I mean?
Can I have your name? Can I have your?
Yeah, you're gonna get everything from them.
No, but I need yours. You're on scene. You're acting as official
We
passport.
don't have business cards, man.
We don't have
What is
business.
it? Jurassic?
Jurassic 6998.
What's yours?
Alvarado 7118.
Can you move your hands so I can see it? Overall, 7. Where are you guys out of? Grand Central?
25th district. Yeah.
That's correct.
Alright, I got you.
You reside in Chicago or suburbs? Yeah, he's got you. Oh yeah, I do too. They'll give you what's called an ISR receipt, all right? Investigatory stop receipt with his star number and all that. Okay.
Okay, that's not very old there, man.
Just hang tight, man. What are you looking for?
My phone's underneath my seat.
Your phone? How many phones you got, brother?
This is the one that fell underneath the seat.
Oh, that's the one you. Okay.
I went in my pocket and it fell into the seat. That's
Oh,
why
okay.
she's thinking. But hold on. If I'm in right here, it falls right here. How am I? She's looking underneath there. She can.
But are you reaching under something?
What? I didn't never reach under it.
Just relax, brother. That's all. You'll be on your way, right? Just relax. Are those all company phones?
What is it? Eldorado. What is it?
Jurassic.
6998 Jurassic. Eldorado.
Ask him. He'll tell you his. He'll tell you his.
7118.
6998.
I know. You've been. This. If anybody's been a gentleman here, it's been Jurassic. I understand.
I appreciate you being calm. Yeah, I appreciate you being
I
calm.
understand you have to back these guys up, but they were totally out of line. Completely out of line. I have done nothing wrong. I am a hardworking American. I pay my taxes. I own my own business.
Okay.
To be pulled over for a seatbelt and then she's digging through my car?
Like I
They're
said-
narc officers. They don't pull over people for seatbelts. They pull
Like-
people over for drugs.
Yeah, like I said.
Because I'm white in a black neighborhood. That's exactly why they pulled me over.
All right, they'll explain all the citations to you. If
He didn't even have a ticket book. He had to
Joseph,
get
here
it
you
from
go,
you.
buddy. There's your license back.
What's your name and badge number?
It's Gregory. It's right here. I'm going to give you the
I don't
receipt.
care about that. I'm asking you to tell me
It's right
what
here.
your name.
Gregory,
No.
9960.
Gregory 9960. Where's your partner at? What's her name and badge number?
It's all on here.
No, I want her. I'm asking her. No, she
I'm
can't
telling
sit.
you.
No, she doesn't get to sit in the car now.
I'm telling you.
She does. No, she does not get to sit in the car now.
It's right here.
I'm going to get her on tape.
You already got it. We're all on tape. It's all being recorded.
Listen.
Here's
What is her name and badge number?
It's right here.
Okay,
Open
tell me it.
Sano.
I
I
can't
just
read.
told you.
Who told you I can read?
That's
What's
what
her
I'm
name and
telling
badge
you.
number?
It's not okay. O Pedisano.
O Pedisano. How do you spell that?
13053.
Pedisano or O Pedisano?
O Pedisano. It's all right here.
And
Here's
where
your
do you
traffic
work
ticket.
out of? What command do you work out of? Where do you work out of? Where do you do roll call? When they go roll call and they
I
say,
don't do a roll call.
okay, where do you work out of?
Here, I'm
Is
gonna
that,
give you this.
where
I'm
do you
gonna
work
set it
out
right
of?
here.
You work out of
Here's
Grand
your
Central?
receipt. Yeah, there you go. I told you that already.
Here's your tickets. You can mail it in. You got your license.
I'm a mail those. There you go. Have a great day. Show up for court.
All right, bro.
Make sure you show up. Make sure you show up for court. Make sure you show up for court. Make sure you show up for court.
All right, brother. Be safe.
Robbery in progress, 4650 West Traversing, 4650 West Traversing at the
Secure.
Walmart. Female caller said the store was being robbed. Caller